All right, welcome back, everybody. I just want to motivate again people that you don't need more money to trade. Guys, you need skill, right? As you can see, the challenge is accomplished, right? From $1 to $10, right? All right, so um, let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Let me just go to my screenshots, right? Let me just go to my screenshots. Where's my gallery? I'm getting old, am I? I'm just joking. Here's it, guys. Guys. This is how we turn our $100 to 1,000 bucks in just 16 hours, guys. Just 16 hours. Imagine, guys. All right, so let me start this. This was volatility 10. As you can see, D1 time frame, which means one candle representing 1 day. So this was my analysis, right? I always start from bigger time frame going to the lower time frames, right? So from D1 going up all the way. So I saw something like this. If you would have gone to H4, which is H4 time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, right? You realize that this zone at the bottom there, this that double bottom, and then the bridge for that pink zone, retest on that pink zone. So I had missed the entry point there on that pink zone. I was supposed to enter there by that what pink zone. So that's the reason why I entered with zero. Okay, this is just the smallest low side of volatility 10 1s, but I was risking the whole $10 because I knew that since this is a late entry, the market can just be playing around through that area. So I wanted to risk $5, so I ended up saying, okay, let me just risk the whole $10 just to leave the room for the market to go around that area and just trying to do some pullbacks and stuff. But well, fine. And then the market, as you can see, the entry point. No, this is step index, right? Now I always talk about my two entry points. If you see this W or this double bottom setup, you wait for the bridge. If you're not scared, guys, I'm a scalper, and not a scalper, but I'm an early entry type of person. I also do pullbacks, right? So if you're an early entry type of person, you want to catch small impulsive moves, and then you take your partials, awaiting the retracement, right? So as you can see, the market I entered. So what did the market do? You see, it spiked. Now that $10 was for volatility 50, and then the other 20 is for step index, right? This is my calculations on this one. So this is what happened. The market went. So as the market goes into profit, I scale in, I add more positions, right? Let me show you how the market does. Okay, now, so for those girls who think that this forex trading is for males only, guys, even women are trading this. Jump through, just go to the link in the description below, open your trading account. It's easy, just follow instructions, use any server, just choose any server, use USD account or even pound account. You just open the account, man. It's easy. All right, and just link your account, deposit maybe 10 or $100, depending on how much you can risk, right? Just go and watch my series videos, just understand price action, then just trade, guys. Simple. Yes, there are losses, yes, there are profits, but you are learning, right? You are learning and you'll make money, guys. I'm telling you. Look at this. From 30 to $50. This is just the same thing. It's happening on two different instruments, right? This is volatility 10 on top. This is step index. This is step index below, right? This is step index. I was anticipating that the market would go all the way up, but if I get to 100, I close, right? Because my challenge is just to change to $100, right? So as you can see, the equity was on 62. We were still moving. As you can see there, I add more positions because I'm now on 52 or 60, whatever. So I add more positions, right? So what did the market do? The market went up all the way, right? As you can see, equity 97 and then $100. So the challenge was completed. So then I closed, right? So I always withdraw, guys. I always withdraw, right? So here's another day when I wanted to trade volatility 50. As you can see, the market did the double bottom and then breached that pink zone, came for the retest, but I wanted to catch that you see where that blue line is. That's where my buy limits were. So I wasn't activated on this trade. So the market went all the way up, and then it left me. And there, as you can see, it hit my TPs, but I wasn't in this because my buy limit were not activated. So it's fine. Sometimes I don't get activated because here I was hoping that the market will go down and put a small wick to activate me, but I wasn't. But even on this zone, on this pink zone, it's not a bad idea to buy there, but I always buy on that blue zones. I don't care whether it leaves me or not, but I'm always safe because remember, I'm using small accounts, guys. I'm risking $10 to 100. So as you can see, that small red wick or that small line, I was anticipating that it was going to go down again and touch and activate me, but well, because my account is so small, so I'll be trying to to also risk less and to get more, right? So now look at this. This is what I was looking for on V50, right? So look at this, what happened. The market, as you can see, this is a trend line, right? This red line, which is slanting, is a trend line, right? It touched all those points, and then as we can see, we are seeing that there's what? Double bottom. The pink zone was breached. Then the market came for the retest. Now that's the reason why I always put my entry points just below there for these type of scenarios, right? This is what we call a stop hunt before the bullish move, right? The market does this always. It just hits so many people and take them out before let me just close. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trading on my computer. Let me just close some of my some of my entry points. Yep. All right, fine. So this is what happens. The market, what it does is it breaches and then it comes down to touch that level, and then it goes up all the way. But on this trade, right, I had missed this entry point because I think it was at night. As you can see, this dotted line which is passing by, this is midnight, so maybe I was just asleep, I don't know. So I woke up when the market was at 0.8009.6, right? So I was like, okay, fine, let me just enter. And then I reached the whole $10, right? Let me show you what happened. As you can see, I entered with the $10. Now I flipped it to 64. When I see something like this, I always add more positions. You see where my entry point was? And then I move my stop loss above to protect my account, right? My account, so that when the market goes all the way down, I move away with money and I wouldn't have risked anything. I would have actually got another $10 in profit. You see? So I had already locked $20 right about there. So what did I do? I added more positions to finish the challenge really quick. So as you can see, this is $10. I was now at $71. Same strategy, guys. Same strategy. As you can see, freely you are given. So I put more positions, buy to catch 80.77. But if the challenge was now at $100, if the challenge was now accomplished, I was going to close, right? As you can see, the market went up all the way, close to my TPs, right? And then what did we do? We changed $10 to $100. Simple as that. Then I closed. This is what I do always. This is what I do always, guys. This is what I do always. This is the withdrawal. As you can see, withdrawal $90, and those small on V50, or those small minus $2, minus $2, minus $2. These are the small losses that I incur, right? So why did I lose? Sometimes you lose, guys, but always lose less, right? As you can see, I reached the whole $10 on this volatility 10. That's the reason why my balance is on minus 9.89. Let's just say it's $10, right? So I saw a strategy. I saw my strategy. I entered. I thought it was going to hold, right? And then I lost the whole $10 or 9.89, right? So I lost the whole $10. Why did I lose? It's because sometimes you lose, right? But always lose less, okay? I was hoping to catch $100 on this trade, right? That's the reason why I won from step index. Step index gave me that $100, so I didn't even like say, well, fine, I lost, whatever. Some newbies think that it's a win streak item, but no, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, but lose less. As you can see, each position was supposed to give me $20 because I always enter about five positions, right? So this is it, guys. But always lose less. This is my crash 500. This is a weekly time frame. Crash is crashing right about now. Go and check it. I'm on profits. I always start from bigger time frame going to a smaller time frame. So if you go to crash, right, as you can see, crash is selling. Go and see your charts, what crash is doing. As you can see, this is from $18. Now if you now this I don't trail in my stop loss. I don't move my stop loss when I get this small profit, right? For some you can, but well, to me, $4 profit is nothing. Now the market was now at $7, right? Then I move my stop loss just to break even, so that I don't lose anything, right? So that I always move in with profits, right? So that's what the market did, right? So right now crash is really crashing. Then this is another day again, step index, as you can see. Now the reason why I like V75, guys, V75 you can start with smaller time frame, guys, with smaller accounts, right? V75 really pushes, and it caters for those with small equity, guys, as you can see. Now what did I think about this scenario? This is V75, right? I bought there, and then I realized that, well, this pink zone of mine wasn't breached, right? So I was anticipating that if this pink line is breached, I was going to buy again or move my stop loss just below this pink zone to carry on and touch my TPs there on top. As you can see, this is H4 time frame. So I was hoping that if this pink zone was breached, I move my stop loss just below, and then I enter again, and then I put some other new stop losses just below this pink zone to catch those TPs, right? But what did the market do? The market failed to breach this zone in a way that I like, right? So I didn't enter more positions, right? So as you can see, the market did that, but what did the market do? As you can see, the market went down and took me out. It hit my stop losses. But did I lose? No, I didn't lose. But I went out with $3.47 in profits. As you can see, there's withdrawal there, 3.51. So that's what the market did. Okay. And then now this is my current analysis on volatility 75. As you can see, now the market will go down and then touch this zone. Then I buy for the big move.